So, assalamualaikum and good day. So, this is my video narrative learnings of reflection. So, I choose one of the topic is the policy. So, before we start, I am Said M. Talib, BSSW 2A. So, let's proceed to the question. So, the question is, we are is the what was your initial understanding of the topic, and letter B, how does the topic connect to your personal experiences or beliefs, and can you relate the topic to any real world situation or beliefs? What were the interesting or surprising things you learned about this topic? How have these insights impact your perspective or understanding? And how can you apply what you have learned from this topic in your daily life or future studies? And lastly, what are the key takeaways or lessons you have learned from this topic? So in this video, I will explain my answer and 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 it is letter A. What was your initial understanding of the topic? So my topic is policy and this is my explanation. So I have a script here, and so let's start. Policy, for me, no, policy are formalized guidelines or rules established by organization, government, or institution to achieve specific objectives, maintain order, or regulate behavior. So they outline expectation, producer, and consequences for adherence or violation. Understanding a policy involves comprehending its purposes, scope, key provision, and how it impacts stakeholders. Analyzing the rationale behind the policy, its intended outcomes, and potential implication. It's crucial. So, like additionally, identifying who the policy applies to and how it aligns with legal requirements or ethical. So it's understand is standards is standard this is for important because assessing the practical implication and potential challenges in complying with the policy is essential for effective interpretation and application. Ultimately, a comprehensive understanding of the policy so inform the decision making, compliance, and effective communication within the relevant communication or organization. And letter B, how does the topic connect to your personal experiences or beliefs? So my own personal experiences, no, this is a common experience for everyone because one of the level of the policy, which is the family policy. So I realized that family policy is a policy only operates the family level only, no? Halimbawa na lang, may gilagyan kayo ng curfew. So yung bawal umuwi ng matagal, tapos dapat di pwedeng maligo na, hindi pwedeng matulog ng walang ligo, mga ganon. So that one of my personal experiences to connect in this topic. And letter C, can you relate the topic to any real world situation or beliefs? For me, yes, because policies are often related to real world situation and beliefs. So for example, a policy aimed at reducing carbon emissions can relate to the belief in combating climate change and preserving the environment. So Similarly, a policy on healthcare access can reflect social societal beliefs about the importance of ensuring everyone has access medical treatment. In essence, policies often policies often from social values and are implemented to address specific issues or concern. And this is sorry. The next question is, what were the interesting or surprising things you learned about this topic? So one of my interesting aspect or I learned about this topic in policy is how interconnected they can be across different sectors. For instance, a policy aimed at improving education can have ripple effects on healthcare, poverty reduction, on and even crimes rates. So another surprising thing is how policies evolve other time based on new information. Societal changes in political dynamics, often leading to unforeseen consequences or unintended outcomes. The next question: How have these insights impact your perspective or understanding? So my insights have deep in my understanding of policy by highlighting my multifaceted nature and the intricate connections it has with various aspects of society. So the recognizing the interconnectedness of policies help me appreciate the complexity of crafting effective solutions to societal challenges. And so additionally, understanding how policies evolve over time encouragements me to consider to long term. So it's made implication and potential unintended consequences of different policy decision. Overall, these insights enhance my perspective on policy making and the importance of taking holistic approach to addressing complex issues. So the next question is, how can you apply what you have learned from this topic in your daily life or future studies? So in my understanding, so the guidelines has taught me to use method troubles with the extra holistic mindset thinking, how various factors may also have an impact on one another. So this mindset may be implemented in day by day lifestyle while making selection or problem solving, in addition to in destiny research through studying complicated structures and their interdependencies. So being aware, so additionally for me, being aware about how guidelines evolve over the years encourage me to live knowledgeable approximately 10 contemporary activities and societal change that's precious for each private other and educational pursuits. So overall, making use of those learnings can result in extra knowledgeable decision making and a deeper information of the people around me. And for the last question is, what are the key takeaways or lesson you have learned from this topic? So for me, no, the key takeaways from reading regulation consists of spotting their interconnectedness with diverse societal issues, information that significance of thinking about long time period implication and unintentional consequences, and the appreciating the dynamic nature of coverage evolving. So additionally, it emphasizes the one of sorry. So additionally, it emphasizes the one of the holistic method to problem fixing and decision making, thinking of the complexity of the structures at play. Overall, reading regulation gives treasured insights into governance, societal dynamics, and the demanding situation of addressing complicated issue. So that that is one of my key takeaways from this lesson. So that's all. Once again, I am Said M. Talib. Wassalam.